What's up, YouTube? We back at it, family. Another day is in the books, which means we had another chance to get back in our bag and do what we do, man. And I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. Listen, guys, the SPY finally cleared that 410, 411 level. That means big things is popping, big things is on the way. So I need to prepare you guys. Before we jump into it, I just want to say major salute to all of you that did your thing on the day. I want you guys to continue to take it one day at a time, one play at a time, and learn to play this game level to level. Okay, you'll see why I teach you guys that for a reason the longer you're in this game. All right, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, ticker symbols SPY represents the SPY. Listen, guys, sitting at 414.72, it was up a little over 1% on the day, roughly $5. All right, with that being said, though, in after hours we are sitting down here at 414, but we closed around 415. Okay, guys, that's clearing that 410-ish level that we were kind of stuck at, and it kind of was holding as resistance. One thing I want you guys to know is that resistance, once it's broke, becomes support. Make a note of that in your notes, man. Class is in session real quick. Resistance, once it is broken, okay, it becomes support. So we couldn't get above 410, 411 these last 2 days. Boom, we broke through it. Now watch on tomorrow. Look for 410-ish to be a level of support. Okay, 408 will still be that level, but 410 will now serve as where we will get the bounce from as we continue to head higher. Speaking of heading higher, guys, write this down. I want you guys to be on the lookout for 416 to 418 tomorrow, because we're en route to 420. Okay, 416 to 418 on tomorrow, because we're en route to 420. But I need you guys to demonstrate some patience and let these plays bubble up. Okay, let them bubble up. Speaking of that, man, I want to teach you guys something real quick. Check this out. I told you guys today that Fed Powell was going to have a speech today. He was speaking at the Economic Club in Washington, and he was just going to give some remarks. And I want to show you guys something. The market was pretty dead all day until his 12:40 talk, okay? But watch this, guys. When you have a catalyst, whether it's CPI, FOMC, Jackson Hole, any of that kind of stuff, guys, you're going to get these kind of moves. Look at this. When he began to speak, we were sitting at 409. When he got to going, we shot up to 410 before eventually shooting up as high as 414 right here, 414, 415. Then he said something the market didn't like, and look at us retrace this whole entire move. Okay, we came back and some all the way down here to 407 before making what you guys see there, that double bottom. And then boom, off that second bottom, that's our play right there. The second bottom, it's always a guaranteed play to the moon if you guys learn to get the second bottom. All right, and then boom, it ended up taking off from what, 407 and went all the way to 417. Okay, listen, guys, these moves are possible. What I want to teach you guys, though, and make sure that you're informed about, is this. When you have big news happen that creates a big move, that first move is going to come right back down to the price it was at. In this particular case, it came back down even further, okay? And then that second move is the one that you guys can believe in, all right? Understand, though, you guys play this game long enough, you could have caught the move up and the move down and the final move back to the upside, because remember, I always teach you guys, any strong move up will come back, but then they go back and retest that level. Okay, keep that in mind so that you guys know, if you see a big move in anything you're doing, know that it will always come back at some point in time. Okay, in this particular case, it came right back, okay, moments later, and finish the day on a high. All right, so do me a favor, be on the lookout for 416 to 418. That'll be our range we'll be looking out for initially, and once we break that, okay, then that opens the door for 420. All right, let's be surgical and let's be patient. All right, check this out, guys. Tesla was up 1% today, sitting at 196 in after hours. This play too went as high as 197. I told you guys in Discord, please make sure if you are not in Discord to get in Discord. Okay, I called this morning. 197 will be resistance. That means that resistance usually equals a rejection until we break through. Okay, so whenever you hear somebody talking support and resistance means you can buy a put at that level, because it's again likely that the plate will come down from there. I talked about 197 being resistance, and then that 195 190 level being support. Let's go ahead and look at how we did today. Boom, call this stuff to a T. 190 was support. Look at this. 197 was resistance. You can't get no more surgical than that, guys. If you learn to play these things level to level, you guys will make 100K. You guys will make your first 25K before you know it, by just remaining disciplined and listen to what I'm calling out every day in these videos, but more importantly, every single day in the Discord. All right, with that being said, man, Tesla still looking to eventually head to 200, guys. It's just taking time off the clock right now, dealing with that resistance level 197. Hopefully tomorrow, or if not by the end of this week, we can get a breakthrough so that we can get in the 200s, because we will get busy in the 200s, guys. We got a lot of room up there to go, and so we just need to clear this hurdle so we can get on with the get on. All right, keep that in mind, guys. And then look at this, guys. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at 154.15 in after hours, but it was up nearly 2% today. This one, okay, way down here in the dumps at 150 this morning, came all the way up here to 154, 155 on a few different times today before getting rejected. So that will be a level we'll be looking out for to the upside. All right, to the upside, we want to see a retest of 155.20. Okay, that's a heavy level of resistance though. So we got rejected off of it today. We got rejected off of it last week. Okay, but guys, that will be a level that we will look to test on tomorrow. If we can't break through, we're gonna have support at 153.50. That's the level. Okay, you see it's at 153.48 here. 153.50 in real time is what you guys look out for. And then if we lose that level, you guys been seeing it's been wanting to come down here to this 151 level and this 150 level. Those are your levels of support. That is the range that you play. So look, if you down here at 151, you buy a call and ride it up. When you get way up to the top at 155, 154-ish, unless we break higher, you ride it back down, guys. This is called range bound trading. All right, you're going to trade within a range. Respect the range. Don't get greedy. Don't try to overstay your welcome. It's keep the game simple. When we down here in the dumps, you buy a call, it's going to go up. When we are at the top, you buy a put right now. Okay, we're burning time off the clock. All right, and so the market needs to digest these moves it's been making these previous weeks. So it's not going to just go to 160, 170. They're going to stay in this range and hold you guys there for a minute. You need to peep and understand what's going on. All right, listen, guys, I want you to keep taking it one day at a time. Continue to be surgical, man. Continue to track your results. Continue to control your losses. Okay, all of this is part of a grander plan to make sure that you guys become masters of your craft. Okay, the game is a beautiful game. I love it. I get excited for it every single day. I love to trade. I love to see you guys' progression. And so I want to see you guys making incremental improvement. Remember, the success for me, the wins is cool because that's inevitable if you rock with me. But what I love even more is to see you guys manage your risk, meaning taking lesser losses. Chris, man, I used to lose $500 on a play. Now I'm only losing $100. Chris, I used to lose $80 or $100. Now I'm only losing $40. And learning to cut your losses, manage your risk, preserve your capital. These things are key on your journey, okay? And I just want to see you guys making small strides every single day. We stacking mastery on top of mastery because at the end of the day, By the time it's all over, man, I'm gonna have y'all so out cold at this game. You guys are going to be able to spot patterns. You guys are going to be able to spot ranges. You guys are going to be able to spot setups. And then when you can do that, ain't no more guessing. You guys just going to be surgical with this. You guys going to specialize in one shot, one kill, and that's what I'm looking forward to. Okay, with that being said, man, listen, we got Wednesday on tomorrow, so we already midway through the week. All right, we got Wednesday, we got Thursday, and then we're gonna finish out the week strong around here. If you want to make money with me, please make sure you like and subscribe first and foremost, then join the Discord, and let's get ready to knock some plays out the park tomorrow. The market has been on fire. There's a lot of plays that are moving and grooving, guys. I don't care what you take part in. Use what I teach you to make sure that you are doing your thing and dominating your space across the board, okay? And then more importantly, please make sure when you see profit, you take profit. Don't overstay your welcome. Don't get greedy, okay? Because the game will humble you and the game will burn you if you are doing too much, all right? Take profits on the way. These plays ain't going nowhere, okay? You don't have to hold through the whole move. You don't have to try to make up all your losses all in one trade, all right? One day at a time, one play at a time. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.